Hello, and a warm welcome to our sanctuary of stillness, Voice in the Dark. I'm so glad you've chosen to join me for tonight's sleep lecture. Here, in this quiet space, we leave the day's clamor behind. There's nothing you need to do, nothing to solve, and nowhere else you need to be. Just allow my voice to be a gentle guide as you begin to unwind. Let your body feel heavy, supported, and at ease. As you settle in, let's begin with your breath. It's the most natural rhythm you have, an anchor in the present moment. Don't try to change it. Simply notice it. Feel the gentle rise of your chest and abdomen as you inhale, and the soft release as you exhale. With each breath out, imagine you are releasing a little bit of the day's tension. Let go of the conversations, the to-do lists, the lingering thoughts. They can all wait until morning. Right now, this time is just for you, for rest and for peace. Imagine a soft, warm light at the very top of your head. It's a light of pure relaxation. Feel it gently touching your scalp, soothing all the tiny muscles there. Allow this warmth to flow downwards, over your forehead, smoothing out any lines of worry. Let it soften the area around your eyes, releasing the strain of looking at screens or focusing intently. Your eyelids feel heavy, comfortable, and ready for rest. Now let this wave of relaxation drift down to your jaw. We often hold so much tension here without even realizing it. Consciously let your jaw unclench, allowing a little space to form between your upper and lower teeth. Feel the muscles in your cheeks and around your mouth go soft and slack. Your entire face is now calm and peaceful, like the still surface of a hidden lake at twilight. The warmth continues its journey down your neck and into your shoulders. This is an area that carries the weight of our responsibilities. Imagine that warmth melting away any burdens you've been carrying. Feel your shoulders drop away from your ears, releasing their grip. The sensation of ease flows down your arms, through your elbows and into your forearms. It pools in your hands, warming your palms and each and every finger. Your arms feel heavy, limp, and completely at rest by your sides. Now bring your awareness to your chest and your upper back. Feel the gentle rhythmic beating of your heart, steady and calm. With each breath, feel your chest expand softly, creating space. As you exhale, imagine any tightness in your back dissolving. The warmth spreads down your spine, vertebra by vertebra, like a gentle, comforting hand tracing its path, easing every muscle along the way. The wave of relaxation now moves into your stomach and lower back. This area is often called our second brain, where we can feel stress and anxiety. Let the warm light soothe this entire region. Allow your stomach to be soft. Release any clenching or holding. Feel the support of the surface beneath you, holding you securely so your muscles can let go completely. You are safe. You are supported. Let this deep sense of calm flow down into your hips, your pelvis, and your glutes. These large, strong muscles have worked hard for you all day. Give them permission to switch off, to release, to become heavy and deeply relaxed. There is nothing they need to do right now but rest. The warmth travels down your thighs, soothing the large muscles at the front and back of your legs. Feel them become loose and heavy. The sensation flows over your knees, down into your calves and shins. Any residual restlessness from the day's walking or standing simply melts away into the mattress. Finally, this gentle, relaxing warmth arrives at your feet. Feel it fill your ankles, the soles of your feet, and all the way to the tips of your toes. Your feet have carried you through your day, and now they deserve a profound rest. Imagine all remaining tension flowing out through the tips of your toes, leaving your entire body in a state of complete and utter tranquility. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, your entire body is now enveloped in a cocoon of warmth and relaxation. You are floating in a sea of calm. The noises of the outside world fade into the distance, becoming unimportant, muffled echoes. The only thing that matters is this feeling of peace, this deep stillness that you have cultivated. Now let your mind drift. Imagine yourself in a place that feels utterly safe and serene to you. Perhaps it's a quiet, secluded beach at sunset, with the gentle waves lapping at the shore. Maybe it's a cozy cabin in the woods, with a fire crackling softly in the hearth. Or it could be a peaceful garden, filled with the scent of night-blooming flowers. Whatever this place is for you, picture it in your mind's eye. See the colors, feel the temperature of the air on your skin. Hear the gentle, calming sounds of this special place. This is your personal sanctuary, a space just for you, where you can feel completely at peace. Stay here for a while. There's no need to think, only to be. To experience the deep sense of safety and comfort that this place provides. As you rest here in your peaceful place, know that sleep is a natural gift. It is not something you have to chase or force. It is a state you allow yourself to surrender to. Like a boat untied from the dock, you can simply let go and allow the gentle currents of drowsiness to carry you away. Your body knows how to rest. Your mind is ready for quiet. You have done enough for today. You are enough. All that is left is to drift, to dream, to recharge. The night will watch over you, and morning will come in its own time. For now, there is only this moment of profound peace, this deep, restorative calm. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into this feeling, letting my voice fade as you drift gently into a peaceful, restful sleep. Thank you for allowing me to guide you toward rest tonight. If you found this helpful, I invite you to subscribe for more sleep lectures. Sleep well. Good night.